Hello everybody. Today we're back with another Turtle Wax product, the Pure Shine Misting Detailer infused with graphene. Gives extreme boost of gloss and depth of color. They have a little before and after. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up right or not. Hydrophobic protection from cross-linking acrylic polymers, incredible slickness, anti-static resistance from patented graphene infusion helps repel dust. Okay, so let's look at the directions here. Wash and rinse with and towel dry with vehicle first, or blow dry however you guys do your cars. It's not my, I'm not there. Windy conditions. You have to use a sweeping motion to spray product directly onto surfaces. And windy conditions determine wind direction and spray product away from you in a sweeping motion to maximize coverage. You may also spray product directly onto a microfiber cloth. Apply 2 sprays per panel on a dry surface. Spread with a clean folded microfiber towel or cloth to remove. Full towel is needed. For best results, paint should be free of oxidation and surface contaminants. So you don't have to have your car clay barred, but for the best results and the best bang for your buck, this is your, it's better to do that. So already did a test on a couple of panels already, but I gotta make a video. So we're gonna give this another good shake. It's hard to tell because the bottom here is a little white. So you can spray on here just for the added lubrication, and as you can see, it is blackened just from the spray. So that does tell me that there is graphene. So we're gonna go ahead and spray the panel. I know it said 2 sprays, but I did 3, but they were very light sprays. This kind of trigger, you're gonna have to prime it, to get it to work. But other than that, it should work just fine. So we're just gonna wipe it on. And from what I've noticed, the product smells really good. I can't really place the smell to it, but it does go on rather easy. Now for the removal process, just quickly go back over it, like so. And it comes right off with ease. And if you see some kind of water streaking during this video, that's because I just washed the car and dried it per the directions. So excuse that, but upside is if you use this right after you wash the vehicle, it will take it away no problem, as you probably saw right around this vicinity here. So let's take a look. So these 2 panels have already been used. I'm not sure how long it's supposed to sit. We'll look at the bottle here again. And then we're gonna come over here. This panel here has not been touched with the detail spray. So this is just this one side here. As you can see, we're very glossy, but we're also in a shaded section of my garage. So it's kind of hard to tell. But in person, it's a little bit more dull in this section here than what you see. The camera just kind of brings it out more. There's the product right there. So yeah, it's making my car with 288,000 miles on it look really nice. I want to say I spent maybe 15 bucks $15 to $17 on this chemical. I do find it to be worth it just for the ease of use, the smell alone, the gloss. When I bring this car back out in the sunlight, I'll do a walk around video to show you guys at the end of this one how well it actually does. Here we go. Got some sunlight out before my drive. We're going to test the anti-static properties of the Graphene Infused detailer. As you can see, the car is really glossy. So we'll check back later today after 70 miles, and then again after 140 miles. Alright, keep watching till the end. $70-mile drive. And no dust. All right, we'll check back when we hit 140. Here we are with just over 140 miles. I had some hazardous things happen along the way, but everyone's okay. I'm not seeing any dust on the paint or clear coat, so the anti-static properties really do work. So I will be definitely recommending this product, and I will have the link in the description. Car still looks really nice. Thank you for watching.